everyone, and welcome. I am Anna from Craft Me a Card, and I love crafting for the crafter, and that is you. Today on this Wacky Wednesday, I have come to share this paper pad that Bleds, an online store, reached out to me for review. They do have many different kinds of paper pads, many different designs and different sizes. Actually, I think it's a 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 that they have. But I chose this 12 by 12 because it's just what I use most. And I want to share with you guys this design because, as you may know, I am working a lot with real pressed flowers. And I find myself reaching a lot for my coffee dyed paper that I make myself, which is this one, which is awesome. It's beautiful, but there's no way I can get it in white or green or blue. Who knows about these colors, but there's no way I could get it in white. So this one has different designs, different colors. So let me show you this paper pad. Okay, I thought that this would work perfect for my pressed flowers and, of course, other projects. Why not? So, first off, let me feel the paper. Okay, it is not thick, it is not thin. I think it's the perfect weight, actually, for card making. It won't add a lot of weight to my cards, but yet it is hard enough, stiff enough to where I could work with it. Like, I won't be working with paper, in other words. So look at this one. This is beautiful. Wood look. Now, of course, all of these are wood look. Okay, so 2 sheets come per design. Oh, well, this is like peeled paint. This is gorgeous. Very real looking, wouldn't you think? Very nice. Very nice. This is like a tree stump here. Very nice. This is another tree stump. Different color. Very fun. Fairy cards. Fairy cards. Ooh, this is the green one that I was looking at. Also peeled paint. Aged. Vintage. Very nice. Ooh, I like the blues behind this. Very nice. Yoo-hoo! Very cool paper. And I will put the link to their store in the description box so you can have a look. There's this one, which is a bunch of different planks of wood. Very fun. Very fun. Okay, this is a lighter brown. There it is. These are also like planks of wood. Very nice. I am excited to work on these for sure. Let me see this one. This is my favorite color. Which is like a minty color. Very nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Oh, this is a different kind of planks. I like the red color, brownish reddish. Ooh, I like this one. This one's blue. Perfect for like a sea card, sea theme, beach theme. Very nice. And this is the last one. And this is like wood floor. Reminds me of a wood floor because the planks are nice and square. And there are these planks, which is a lighter brown. So yes, that would take care of everything that is promised on this front sheet. I'm bringing in some of my pressed flowers here. I just want to show you how just by adding a flower or an embellishment to this paper, you don't need much, actually. Look how pretty that looks. And this is just a flower. There are many different ones. I have these white carnations that also would look nice. These are super easy to dry, by the way. I just think these are beautiful. This is also make a great background for a scrapbook page or a junk journal. We just love that vintage feel, that rustic, handmade feel. And I think this is perfect for that. I really love this paper. It's so realistic. And I love this one. It reminds me of my accent wall that I have in my kitchen. And this is the last one. And this is the last one. So, yeah. So thank you, Bleds store on Amazon, for reaching out to me and asking for me to review your paper. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the designs, and I will definitely be enjoying it. And of course, I will be sharing some projects with you. You guys stay safe. Hurricane Ian is about to make landfall in Florida. So our prayers go to all of that state. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.